and like she was in the elevator when my mom and I were, and she like ignored my mom and like, oh my gosh, she made me weird.
Family. We are in the tent. Willa!
Yeah?
I'm making a video. Say something.
Sandra, go to bed. Sandra!
Go, John.
Sunday.
This is the tent.
60 days ain't nobody better pinch me, bitch, I swear. Go crazy. She got jumper cable lips, she got sunset on her breath. Now I inhale just a little bit. Now I got no
Resupply.
I love it.
It's the magical mystery kind. Must be a lie. Too good to be true. I could die. I could die.
Silly. Did you learn your lesson about knives? Willa, don't ask questions.
You're getting in. Can I get some water? That's done. Pants hat. There's pants.
Party in Sophie and I's tent. You're invited.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You. Home. Is it a